was 20 seconds. I took 2 sticks of RAM out. Took the bottom 3 fans out. But it still just keeps on turning off. I have no clue why. Everything is brand new. I didn't purchase anything used. The battery. I changed the wiring too. I don't know if it made any. Obviously it didn't. I had just the power on that side and everything else on this side. And this power button. Focus, oops. Whatever. That right there used to glow blue. So obviously something is not connected correctly, or something shorted. I replaced the battery in the motherboard, the brand new one, just to be sure. And it's still on. There's a switch down there. I don't know what it does. It's not. I mean, before it lasted at least long enough for me to press function F1 on my keyboard, and I thought it was gonna work, and then turned off. Please help. I know it's ugly. I just threw everything in there right now to get it set up, to figure out what I was doing, because I am new to all of this. So if there's somebody that can give me a hand with this, I'd be willing to pay you for your services, to just video call me and point me in the right direction, tell me what to do, troubleshoot it with me. I would appreciate it.